Hello, welcome to DataApex tutorials. My name is Christina, and today I will give you a basic introduction to the Clarity Chromatography station. In Clarity, it is possible to perform independent data acquisition from up to 4 chromatographs. When you are using more instruments and more users at once, you may find helpful that information about current status and signed-in user is displayed in the main window. We believe that strong intuitive navigation through the whole chromatography process is one of many advantages Clarity has. Click on the instrument to open the instrument window from where you can easily approach different actions, such as setting up a method, setting up the sample info for single analysis or sequence, monitoring status of devices, and monitoring real-time signal. Last two icons represent the chromatogram and calibration window. Information about current status is also displayed, and acquisition can be started or stopped from there. In case of running acquisition, more information is provided, including the elapsed time. Data acquisition window serves for online data monitoring, and it can be compared to a background chromatogram. If the analysis has not stopped yet, but you wish to analyze existing data, you can create a snapshot and perform analysis of a partly measured chromatogram. As you can see, Clarity offers simultaneous data acquisition from multiple detectors to the same chromatogram. In Clarity, we use tooltips for better orientation, and in some of them, you can see current file, which will be opened. Chromatogram window provides instant results. Selecting a row in the result table highlights corresponding peak. Toolbar on the left offers functions for improving the evaluation of peaks. All these operations are recorded in the integration table and can be applied later for similar chromatograms. Summary tab is used for comparison of results from multi-signal chromatograms or from all opened chromatograms when opened in overlay mode. In the calibration window, chromatogram standard is viewed, and it can be used to add levels into the calibration. Calibration curve for each compound can be viewed, and parameters for improving the curve fit can be set. For operation in regulated environment, user accounts need to be managed. The User Accounts window allows to manage users, set password restrictions, set access to individual instruments, and set user access rights for the actions a given user can perform on the allowed instrument. Take advantage of signing files using electronic signatures complying with the 21st CFR Part 11 regulations and thus protect the validity of created documents. Clarity also has multiple audit trails to keep track of all modifications. It is available for the whole station, for individual chromatograms, calibration, method, and sequence files. And this is basically the end of the brief introduction to the Clarity software. I hope it gave you an overall picture. For more details, please check the related tutorials. And if anything remains unclear, you can always press F1 to show help, go through multiple guides and documentations on DataApex.com, or contact our support department. Thank you for watching, and I am looking forward in the upcoming tutorials.